What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, Mitchy boy here. Just thought I'd do a tutorial and review video on this Just For Men moustache and beard dye. Got light brown here. I probably should have got medium brown, but it said to order a colour lighter. I already did it once like 2 weeks ago, so I thought I'd add some more because it seems to be fading. So you get two things. One's called Color Base and one is called Natural Color Developer. Then you just add equal amounts of each into this tray. You want to do a test too if it's your first time. Probably get 4 or 5 out of this, I reckon. But you want to do a test to make sure you don't have any like allergic reaction or anything like that. So just mix a little bit together, and then you want to apply it to like your underneath your arm or something like that, and make sure wait for like 24 hours to make sure that there's no reaction. Hopefully I've added enough. Oh, and also we've got some Vaseline here. We're going to add that to our face where we don't want the dye to go, just around your beard. See, my moustache is quite a bit darker, eh? My beard too a bit.